Introducing the latest addition to our pick-and-place family, the NeoDen N10P. Based on the original NeoDen 10, the N10P takes an already proven and stable design and adds a number of key new features. The N10P now supports a larger feeder capacity of up to 80 tape feeders, accommodating both electric and pneumatic feeders in the same banks for flexible operation. New features include an automatic nozzle change station, a push-up table to reduce PCB flex, automatic nozzle calibration, and an enhanced vision component recognition system. From prototypes to production, the N10P is engineered to meet your needs. The new automatic nozzle change function allows for 39 possible nozzle positions and automatic nozzle height calibration. The placement head is equipped with 8 independent nozzles for simultaneous component pickup and can achieve a maximum speed of 20,000 components per hour. An intuitive user interface makes programming and production simple. Make changes mid-run and receive feedback from the vision system in real time. Every movement is precise, using the N10P's servo drive and ball screw configuration to ensure placement stability and repeatable placement accuracy, even during high-speed placement of up to 20,000 components per hour. Incredibly adaptable, the N10P supports PCBs up to 1,500 millimeters long with the optional extension conveyor. And for added convenience, the N10P supports up to 20 vibration feeders and 60 matrix tray feeders. Equipped with front and rear feeder bank cameras, the N10P includes 2 4th-generation high-speed flying camera recognition systems for precise flying shots and high-accuracy component recognition. In addition, nozzle air pressure measurement reduces mispicks and tombstoning, reducing the potential for rework. A dynamic trash position for handling mispicked components reduces material waste, and abnormal air pressure automatically triggers placement pausing to help prevent potential damage. Precision, performance, productivity. Experience the NeoDen N10P, where cutting-edge technology meets unmatched reliability.